Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to change the themes in Samsung Galaxy A33 5G smartphone. Before you start the video, you need to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, you need to click and hold the home screen. You can see the pop-up menu. You need to click on that second option called the themes. Now it will navigate into the theme store. You can see the 1000 of themes available here. So maximum the themes are paid one. You can find the some of them free. So I will find the free one. So these are the free one. So if you want to open that, you need to click on that. You can preview them also. If you want to download that, click on download. It started downloading now. Then choose apply. Now the new theme is applied successfully, you can see. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.